Hello guys, welcome to the new video. This is a ePES 2020 pack opening video. Hope all of you are safe. Stay home, stay safe.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Let's open UEFA Euro 2020 pack first. The rating of the players seems to be good. I like the background design of the card. Cool design. Let's try for Delict, because I like his defensive plays. But I already have this player. But let's try for the new featured one. Will I get him? I already have him, so no excitement. Lol, just kidding. I got Ivan Perisic for the second time in the same pack. Seriously. This ePES is unfair. Not kidding. Let's try the last and final chance. Yeah, we got him finally, great. Today I got 3 European Legends pack, let's try them. Let's try for Cruyff. I got Skulls again. What? It seems that Konami is doubling the players for me. I got Ultra Legend Max players in that pack. So that's all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe and comment down below about the video. Thanks for watching guys.